This is the install of a chain guard off AliExpress. So I removed the plastic one, pretty simple, 2 bolts, and that's a look. So it's half mixed, both aluminium, so one's powder coated black and the other one's in a silver. 2 components all bolted together. Let's have a go putting this on. So I'm going to need, see that size of this, 5mm. Now just remember, when you take your guard off, you might want to remember your tyre pressure readings. Once in a while you can take a photo and leave the photo on your phone. 42 on the rear and a 36 PSI on the front. So just remember that, folks. Okay, it's off. $3mm. Yep, swapped it to a 3mm. Okay. You do have the option to either reuse the original or put the ones that they supply, but this does match these. Okay. We just want to start the bolts off so that we know we'll get it on right. I think it kind of deserves a washer though. We'll see. We have to try all these things. To be honest, I might get a washer for each of these. It does really squish this. Okay, let's have a look. So that's the only thing to watch in the future if these rust. So the only other option is put it with a stainless steel. But yeah, that's the upgraded chain guard. Thanks for watching.